Nettie Tesfu, run down and see Daddy. Let's go see the harbor. Come on. I'm gonna run down and see Daddy and see the harbor. Come on. Here we go. Look at this. Come on, Nettie Tesfu. Look, here's Daddy's boat shop, all covered in snow. Some flooding. Wave to the camera. Say hi, Didi Evie. Say we had a blizzard.
What?
Tell them that we had a big snow blizzard.
What kind of blizzard?
A snow blizzard. Is there a lot of snow on the ground here?
Thank you all the same, but I'll go now, so you won't know how much
Guess who I just saw? I saw the birds on the ice and I saw Donna at the barrel factory. Let's go! The birds were on the ice in the harbor, honey. Come see. Come on.
Just another song you wrote for another girl.
There's the barrel factory.
When you'd write a song for me, but it never came. I thank you all the same, but I'll go now, so you won't know how much I thought about you all the time.
Nettie and her pa going for a sleigh ride.
Like a rhyme in my mind. There you are in my car, but we don't drive very far.
Stuff
To
to
the
make
beach,
barrels from.
out of reach. Next to me, my fantasy. Falling for you. Did you ever see me watching from periphery while I was playing another game? I hoped you'd catch on all the same.
Let's go inside, baby.
Falling for you. Did you ever see me watching from periphery? I was playing another game. I hoped you'd catch on all the same. Falling from you. Did you ever touch me?
Here I come, honey.
Through your
Do
potpourri.
you want to say something to your grandma?
Felt your fingers once. After waiting all these months.
Do you want to say anything to Didi and Evie? He's got what? Eyes? Oh, he does. Hey, Nettie, say hello. Blow a kiss to Mama. Like, stop pestering me, Mom. Jeez, Louise. Pestering. Hey, Nettie, could you say stop pestering me? No.
Where'd you go?
It's stuck.
Tell Mommy it's stuck.
It's stuck.
Stuck.
Yes.
Gotta feed the duckies?
Say I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Say I love you, Adelia and Evie.
But I was wrong, so wrong. That was just another song you wrote for another girl.
There's Nettie's school right there.
I thank you all the same. But I'll go now. So you will know how much I thought
What?
about you all the time. Walking